Hi, I'm Suzanne from Sicard RV. Today we're going to go over some exterior and interior features of the 2020 Talon 403T. Let's go over some of the exterior features. A nice large awning with LED lights, exterior storage, the more ride steps, and the climate shield. So 16-inch endurance American-made Goodyear tires, auto leveling, and a really nice party deck at the rear. Some of the interior features on this unit, we'll start in the kitchen. We have an 8 cubic foot refrigerator, lots of pantry storage, your 3-burner RV stove, microwave, island with double stainless steel sink, and extra counter space. And in this area, we have theater seating with heat and massage, fireplace, TV, and a loft. In the master bedroom, you'll have lots of storage, a dresser with some drawers in it, a nice queen-size bed, and some overheads. And in our bathroom, you'll have a porcelain toilet, a nice storage area, a stand-up shower with a seat, and a vanity. In our garage area, you'll see extra sleeping area, extra seating area, and the way to get to the party deck. We also have a backup camera prepped so you can keep an eye on your toys back here. Washer dryer prepped, and also a nice 2-piece bath. Thank you for watching our tour. For more information on this unit, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.